We'll talk about secrets for marriage, and we get true life story. Madam don't report her marriage of over 9 years and 1 child. She say, my husband no dey ever. If good thing come to him brothers or sisters, he no go tell me. If bad things still come, he no go tell me. He go come out from house, he go there, him and the people go do meeting. If then they talk for phone and I enter, they go just change.
Just keep quiet, as you say, nothing they happen.
Yes. So she dey wonder waiting fit be the reason, waiting fit they cause them. I tried to ask. She said, no. Not be say don't. Not be say maybe before they tell me, then maybe I can't go gossip. I can't go talk. Not so. Since we are married, but it they affect me. The more big things they happen, the more they look embarrassed when something happen. How can I have a sister-in-law for this same Lagos? We get cancer more than 1 year. People they go greet them. My husband they suffer. That they go hospital since, and I was not told. I be bad person. How can I?
No, she not be bad person. Na lack of disregard. The man no regard her, because I don't understand. If you say you call person your wife, una dey live for there, and I don't even born one pikin together.
Yes.
And you know see am necessary. You know see am. You
to involve them in your life.
You notice that she dey what's the time to sit down and discuss things with a personal like that? Okay, so what did they talk about?
And that's in a lack of disrespect, because you get women too.
Disregard, you know, regard them.
Okay,
you know,
be any.
You know, Sam as worthless. You know, Sam as anything.
I think you get some people will be say, if no be their papa born you and no be their mama born you, you can never be close to them. Even marriage now, because other people they marry.
They just they marry, make it
know me. I don't see woman will be say, with all the love with the husband they shower, nasty her brothers, her sisters, they do meeting like see them be cults. They hide things. The man they so generous. Still, you go collect from him. You go hide them. You go follow backyard, give your brother, make jump fence, make carry and go house, go keep. You go secretly go buy car. You go codedly go buy land. A man we know they ask you. The man is rich enough, and now they try want your progress. So the man they show you say you are my all. You they show them say no, you're not my all. So I think you get people naturally, no matter what you do for them.
And again, another thing way I believe say they cause this kind of thing, Chiboi, now the kind of family where the person come from. Maybe now like a pattern. The papa know they carry mama
along.
Yes, and the mama to know they carry papa along. So over time, that pikin don't grow inside that kind of family. They say one of the parents they always do secrets. They do something. Maybe mama won't do something. Papa no they ever know. Only the children they know. And then the papa won't do something too. Imma no they ever know. Only the children they know. So over time, the thing don't they used to the pikin. And now you don't marry your own family too. Unconsciously or consciously, you don't they exhibit that same pattern when you learn from your own family. Another reason again for me now this lack of disregard, regard the person. You know, say the lady, her husband now notices she did what in time. You know, see I'm as person if he contribute anything meaningful
to in life.
Yes, you know, some as person if he give him any kind of advice or talk anything will make sense. We go fit sit down listen to, and you can't even put them into practice. So waiting why can they follow this one they talk? But just they answer the wife title.
Is it not mumu work? I wash my hand, decide who I go spend the rest of my life with. Now person who I think say be mumu. I see so many men. One advice cannot. Their wife not going to even hear their problem. Talk less how to advise.
Exactly.
Now one of his senior sister, he fit from Aja drive go Badagry to go tell his senior sister saying business they get problem. That
and he get wife for
yes.
Wife not going to know anything like that.
Go there. That one go come tell him advice. Do one like this. Do one like this. Do one like this. He go say, okay, sister, thank you very much. I don't hear.
Go drive back.
Yes, he good. And that woman cannot tell him what to do, even if not good advice. Somebody say. This your husband health don't they go down? You never notice say your husband they cough blood. The woman say you see it's more than 1 year why they beg this man may go hospital. But as soon as his sister he coughed that blood for that tissue, the sister asked the wife answered that thing. The sister say you have to go to hospital now. The next day
he don't go hospital.
He tell the wife so they come and reach hospital. The woman weak. This hospital why they beg you since 2002 may you go. So now, as your sister tell you now I'm a good. Some men, not be just men. Some members of some of our husband or wife no go ever take our advice. Stranger go waka come tell and say, this your beer,
just makes sense.
This your beer, it's too much now. No, you don't go babbling salon go reduce them. But you see, your wife where they house with, she don't cry tired 7 months. Say, honey, this thing is too bushy. People for church, people go they say you know be why they But immediately.
Person tell her from
just
outside.
say nobody, Pam, you don't listen, you don't go do it. So women will also not take the advice of that man. But immediately now, one man of God waiting for poopy say it's good to be eating egusi soup. Oh boy, she don't egusi. But her husband been they beg about this egusi soup before. I don't just know. And no more go the phone lines. Exactly. Make me hear what people get to talk. Some messages there here. Somebody say, Chiboi, good afternoon. Ada, good afternoon. No good at all. It's very painful. How can you keep secret from somebody where you call your wife? I beg that man, no respect him at all, no regards. Okay, now wait till Ada they talk to. It's really painful. I know if you cope with such a man. My husband, they tell me every no secrets, now messy they talk. So Chiboi and Ada, the woman they tell somebody and the husband don't hear some. I beg, don't bring that
they
talk.
Don't start.
I beg. Stop waiting. No. Let's not give that woman I beg because now wait I don't want me with no side I'm go there.
Talk wetin the person talk.
If syntax error, if now waiting they happen to you, then no use your own judge another person because you know how now they go push them back on the same one they cry say I want to be part of this family. I don't ask him was there ever a time he say it has been like this. Not be say we don't fight or I don't insult them, say useless family where you get it can't they close mouth since we are married. But as things will involve life and death can't they happen, I can't they feel bad. Before now, who buy car, who get admission, all those kind of ones now they keep. Now the secrets are looking bigger and the people go they think say I don't hear but I no agree do
Imagine
something.
that.
How I go talk say I don't know say my sister-in-law get cancer. She they tell me. You understand?
Because they give the woman bad name. Meanwhile, the woman never know anything they happen.
So some people some messages just be like say he say there's a close friend to the wife that the husband no want some information to get to. So more assume say no be say the woman be amiable.
Exactly.
What are the other reasons why? Chiboi, now truth, I don't experience them before. Ella from barracks and this one say my husband believes say no be everything wife supposed know about some things they should remain secret. Okay, he says some things he go decide. Moko check on top of the phone lines. Moko see what I get to talk on top of this one. The number is 0700-951-951-951. Good afternoon. This is not True Talk for your chick mouth station. Ada day here. Hello.
Hello, Chiboi.
Good afternoon. Welcome on top of the show.
Good afternoon, Ada.
Let me greet you, pass. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm Chaplain Mabel. I just want to let you know that African mentality is part of what we are suffering. Just believe it or not. Because I don't see the reason why you see a woman that you want to marry or a man you want to marry. You cannot. You see, communication problem is another thing. It's number two. A lot of marriages, they lack good communication.
Okay.
And some women don't know how to handle their husband. Some men don't even know how to handle their wives. So these are the major issues that are troubling marriages. Lack of good communication, African mentality. There are some guys, you know, that as young as they are, they get married, they want you to be worshiping them, bring food, kneel down, then say, oh God, food don't come. A guy that is growing in this generation, have you ever had?
Me, I don't mind to worship too much. I don't mind. I feel wash panto and brow. I beg. But thanks so much for madam. I just talk on the lighter note. If you worship me and I worship you, we are both worshiping.
Exactly.
I go lose your hair. I go wash your clothes. I feel even bath you. To me, I don't mind though. I think to me, I even think that part of the romance where they talk.
Bonding, he help for bonding. If na so want to express the love, no problem. As far as say you they reciprocate, as I they give am to you, they give me back the same energy.
Like madam talk, if you be say you don't go keep yourself, or you go come and wash my part. If not on that level, but if not based on love, me I don't see anything.
And you get one way this woman talk concerning the communication. When I want to say something on top, most African men for this our part believe say the man they do the talking, the woman need to do the listening.
Okay,
you get so as the man. I do the talking.
He pronounce as he talk out final judgment.
Yes, judgment. You do the listening. So because of that mentality where they get about them talking and the woman listening, they don't see any reason. They don't see am say, waiting I won't come follow this person talk now. You understand? Make I just take the decisions you get.
Yes.
Just date.
Anything what I decide, she go follow now. I say with the park.
Exactly.
With the park go Ajegule.
With the park go Ajegule. No
might
ask
see
me
if I go
question.
bring big truck, whether she don't go enter inside.
Exactly. Now so they just believe. I tell you, say the children they change school today. The children they change school today. I just say, Mama Nkechi, I don't like this school. The children are going. They go and
nobody they ask her, what do you think? How like about? That. So, would they go?
So simple. With that kind of mentality now, something like this kind of case with this woman they experience now for marriage, it go happen because now the man not see you as say you get sense enough to take help and give him any advice or give him any contribution. You understand?
All right, so I'm gonna check this message. Somebody say good afternoon, Ada Chiboi. This now waiting at the face now from people I go here with my husband once. Rose from Iyanokpaja. Chiboi and Ada, greetings. That one will not be marriage. Now the woman they marry herself because if man know they hide him nakedness from the person he call him wife, then why him go can't they hide unnecessary things? Queen from Agbara. Okay, Chiboi and Ada, my husband to be is exhibiting the same habit. Okay, my husband to be okay. Say okay, you won't be saying never even late. He's exhibiting the same habit. His sister should be the one where they control everything about him, his business and his life affair. He does listen to me. We even have a peaceful conversation. That means she's not the one control. They say that they listen, but they take the advice.
Maybe they take the advice.
But I think anything is time to address it now. You call them husband to be. The problem is, say women, the body they shake to marry. So even when they notice the problems with the guy, they don't want to talk. Make the guy no change him. Hey, man, no call quarrel am now. May come be say see person one never bring enter. I never marry her come house. He don't begin to give me wrong. He won't come between me and my sister. But you see the problem is say when you come marry him. You can't bring up this topic.
The problem where they avoid, they wait for you for front.
So the man go feel say, oh, okay, I don't marry you now. Now you can't get out.
Exactly.
But this problem been there, but you been there fear to address them. Now why you not talk them? After marriage now you can't say, no, I don't like this thing where they do you and your sister. The man go want say you want scatter in family.
Of course now.
So you need to choose the time to address that issue. She don't see the matter now, but she never address them. She the wait made her marry this year so that next year she go begin change her for her.
People say that this year.
These people they go do small thing for her around November. By next year March she go begin change them. I don't like what is your sister is taking decision in our marriage. Something where you know since 2023 where Chiboi and Ada even know. You don't talk now. Somebody say good evening Chiboi and Ada. I feel he don't want to bother or disturb his wife.
For
really?
Bother or disturb? For person where you call your life partner, bother or disturb. So the other people in the time for outside, you know they bother them.
I don't understand. What you call me marriage? Are we not here for good times and bad times?
If you see the truth, what could they talk him?
Which one be saying? Anyway,
this one I disagree. I disagree.
Say no one bother her.
Bother with this kind of bother.
As a bother.
As in no one bother her. But the other people they talk to outside.
Yes. More take one call before this break. Good afternoon. Welcome. True Talk. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
You know about the man, my husband been doing it that the same thing. So if he do something with his family, he no go tell me. Before he go tell me something, after they don't do conclude everything.
Okay, they don't do meeting, they don't plan, they don't decide before you go here. Now the matter what they discuss. Why you feel say it be so?
And in the one where was past, they say the man they always say beat me. The family know they say anything. So the woman is supposed to plan for her life.
Okay.
Because one day the man will decide, say, madam, I don't need your
I don't need your services again. Wow. Okay, thank you, ma. Ada, before we go this break, 20 seconds. I think if you don't matter, you know gonna matter. Some of these our partners know who be who. I don't, because I think the reason why woman they hide her own things different from reason why man they hide their own.
Okay.
Woman they hide her own because of financial levels. I know I mean no Sabailanda. My name is Chiboi. 7 minutes before 4 o'clock. Don't forget to the entire Lagos stories from our newsroom side. Before that time, we'll talk about secrets in marriage. Madam don't come out can't complain. Say her husband they keep everything concerning in family. Meanwhile, she they open up or her brother when they hear what she don't gist her more. She go there they receive family phone call. Her mama go they cry about something where her senior sister husband do. Everything she they share with her husband. She believes say them be one. Her husband they should say will be two. Somebody say my okay, well done, Adan Chiboi. I just say make a great for all the job well done. Always concerning that policeman, we will take care of him on your behalf. You say who does that? For this Wazobia. Now woman and mommy Susu, see mommy Susu, when they stay at Papa, now you want to take care of police for. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love, Bobby Susu. God bless you. Somebody say I got Chiboi and Auntie Ada. Now true, some people they like that, and that now waiting at the face for my marriage till I live there. My husband and the mama go discuss everything. If he work, they go now come and tell me to do the work, and I will not tell my mother-in-law that my husband did something for her to believe. For her to believe me, he go say, let him confess, and after everything, she will not do or say anything about the matter till tomorrow. My mother-in-law is alive, but because if you are not her child, she will not believe you. Thank you, guys. Chamaka from Okagbo Aboyi, Koshefe Lagos, longest time, 1 hour, 1 day. I understand perfectly this the way they talk. I know about this kind of things. Today, I advise somebody say you. Some families get them. Some families they are picking no fit they wrong. Their son, anything you tell his brothers, you tell his sisters, you tell his father, you tell his mother, no, kill my son, no, kill my son. You want to kill my son, you want to kill. And then some families, their daughter can never be wrong. Anything where she do, they stand by her. Anything where you do, they go stay. Yes, their own kind of family love be say whether you thief, we go support you.
Anything where you do at all.
So family they show their unity different. Some even if they say they catch their son on top woman for hotel, the day where they go judge the case, wait till you go here be say, if they feed you, yes. If they give you, if they buy your clothes, food there house. What do you call it? Exactly. So you monitor and go that hotel. Yeah.
They go turn them against you.
Chiboi and Ada, good afternoon. Now Regina from Ikoto. Chiboi, that now waiting to happen for my marriage of 22 years now. But waiting I do be say I go just sit and down and talk to him. Make that woman be confident in talking to him as a husband to her because now lack of regard to the woman. But Chiboi, if I can, let me explain myself. If I can call, okay. I sure say maybe you don't try, but you see the lines, everybody too they try call. So many people willing to talk on top this matter. People will get experience on top of the matter. Everybody want put mount inside Muku for here. Waiting they happen. This one say for me, I go say that woman make mistake. The woman forget. She forget the number of the man family. At least to they check on them too. One better from Navy Town. She they check now. Anyway,
checking on them different from say they get pressing matter and they get matter. We say they believe say she's supposed to participate, but for some reason because her husband no tell her anything, she can't be like say she know they shock here.
Yes.
So checking on them, if they different, say I pick up my phone, say, oh, when you do I say when you do my mama or sister Pratt, or sister this person, ke maka family, ke maka omoge, ke maka this, na normal checking on.
Yes.
But now that sister where you dey call now get problem.
Something to pray and gather financially, psychologically, emotionally. It's the cancer.
Part of the day, maybe one day when she decide to pick up her phone, call that woman now. She don't even know say the woman get cancer.
Yes.
And for the woman mind, the woman they expect her to ask her, say, maybe I hear say this one. No, she just do a normal checking on off the phone. They'll call the pack offense for her. Meanwhile, her husband don't even tell.
She don't know.
Wow.
Somebody say, good afternoon, Adam Chiboi. That man fit get his own reason. I stopped to tell my husband my secret because he will use it to insult me and my family whenever we have quarrel. Yes, Mommy P from Ago. I purposely ask that woman about this type of talk because I don't get issues. People talk to me, say, my husband disgraced me. Now the things what I tell him, Now when quarrel don't set, so she can't cause the man say useless man. The man can say, no be me be useless man. Now that your brother we know the feed in family, now be useless man. Because if I say that one, then they buy food stuff sent to mama. So mama they stay alone with one small picky where they stay with them. So they go buy a bag of rice, 2 bags of yam. They want make food they mama store. Then the brother thinks they had them. So mama go they call him. He go come. Mama go half the bag of rice. Give her some 2 bags of yam. So this is sister can't discover. Say brother, why I stay with for Lagos where him and his wife want kill me show me pepper. So me and my husband go to send you food stuff, mama. You go to send back half to this same Lagos to my brother. We be working full-fledged man. So she gist her husband. You understand? So the day which her husband quarrel, she called her husband useless man. Then the husband say, "I useless pass your brother. Where they go collect food, where they give him mama." Or but now they say that's it. He give her back bow. The woman say she nearly faint. So yes, on one side, so on one side you they complain say we need couples to open up and share secret. On the other side, you can't see the ones where we say they don't share the secret. Husband husband now or wife now, they use that they curse you. That your useless mother. That your brother, where do they still want please? That your sister, where they follow man. All those things where you tell them.
Nothing campaign. This your family curse you campaign.
Hey, God. You got the regret. And that day, that two of them naked, they use that talk, do love. Now, pillow talk, that day, even they support you. They say, Kai, why would your brother do that to you? Tomorrow night, you go hear nonsense. No wonder your brother push you for a house.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.